about design is working with new clients each time because no two projects are the same. With this project, the interesting thing is I was the client. I'm Melanie of Melanie Morris Interiors. Welcome to my home in Nolita. So this is our secondary home. It had to serve a dual function to accommodate my family, which has 3 teenage sons, as well as a place for us to work. And I'm excited to show it to you. This is the main living space, consists of the kitchen, the dining area, and the living area. I love an open concept. So while my husband loves to cook and he's in the kitchen, we could all be hanging out, whether we're sitting at the dining table or sitting at the sofa, and we're all together and we feel connected. But at the same time, I wanted every space to feel unique. So I delineated the living room with this rug. This rug is actually my own design. It's a collection that I have called the Pop Collection. As you can see, we have neutral tones with the green stripe that goes through it, which is quote unquote the pop. When we found this apartment and it had these earthy vibes, especially in the kitchen, it was kind of out of my comfort zone. However, I decided to embrace it. So that's how I have this oatmeal colored sofa, this dark stone coffee table. The credenza I designed specifically for this apartment. I loved the tones of the ambrosia maple, the dark fluted wood. That inspired the Kenmare collection, which was named after the street we're on, Kenmare. All of the light that comes from these windows, coupled with this blank canvas of a wall, presented the perfect opportunity for me to put a very significant piece of art. Designed by the German artist Johann Millenbrink. It's kind of like when a window gets fogged up and you take your finger and you draw your name or you draw little pictures. And the funny thing is, my husband and I always draw each other pictures in the shower. I don't take myself so seriously, and I don't take my design so seriously. For the dining room, I wanted this table to serve 2 functions. One is clearly a place that my family and friends can sit and eat, as well as an opportunity for me to work. This light, while it defines the space, it also gives off that playful sense of design because these ceramic features are each original. You can see sometimes the actual fingerprint. So now that I've shown you the main space, let me take you into the bedrooms. This is the bedroom for my 3 teenage boys. I needed to custom design this bunk bed because I wanted to do a queen over queen, which you can't find. And it has a trundle that pulls out. While functionality was the main concern, I wanted to use a walnut to bring the dark wood tones from the outside in. When I select art for a space, it's not random. I like pieces that really matter. This is one of my favorite pieces of art in the apartment, done by my son Shane when he was about 10 years old. Now let me show you my room. While all of the other rooms in this apartment have neutral tones, I wanted to add a pop of color here to create a calming vibe. We had the walls custom painted by Heidi Holzer. She had 4 people in here at one time to create the ombre-glazed effect. These nightstands were custom designed by me. I really wanted to do this curved look and bring in brass. I really wanted something with history that was both soft and pretty. So I found this vintage Italian fixture from the 1960s. One of my favorite features of this apartment are the views. We have the Empire State Building out of my living room, and here we have the World Trade Center. So I positioned my bed specifically so that we could see the World Trade Center while we're lying down. My design is client-centric. I really get to know my clients so that their personality is reflected in the design. And I hope you can see my personality reflected in my home. Thank you for taking a look.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.